In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your Panasonic television turns off by itself. So if your TV just keeps randomly shutting down by itself, then this is usually due to the energy settings on your television. Now, in order to fix this, we first need to head over to the settings menu on your television. Now, you can bring up the settings just by pressing the menu button on your remote control, or you can come over to the home screen on your Panasonic TV and just click on the settings icon from here. Now, your settings menu may look slightly different to mine depending on what model of television you're using. But basically, there's just a couple of settings from these windows that we need to make sure is turned off and disabled. So the first thing on my television, I'm going to scroll across to the clock tab at the bottom down here. And once you're on the time settings, you're then just going to scroll down and click on sleep timer. Now, just go and make sure this feature here is turned off and disabled. And we're also going to come over to the picture tab from the main settings page. And if you see a setting in here called eco mode or eco, you also want to make sure this feature here is turned off and disabled. So on my television, it's just called eco setting, but it could be labeled as something like power saving or eco power saving. Just make sure this one is turned off. And once you've disabled those settings, it will stop your TV from turning off automatically by itself. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.